Welcome to Best Coffee Machines Review. If you get more information about coffee machines, follow the description link. Let's start Best Coffee Machines details. Number 1.
How you start your day defines the rest of it, and the Saeco Excelsis knows how to start yours. The variety and easy customization of the Saeco Excelsis are perfect for a day filled with the same. Select from over 15 varieties of exquisitely crafted world-class coffee drinks, each customizable to your individual taste with the coffee equalizer. "15 exquisite coffee drinks, easily crafted to your taste."
Number 2.
With sleek Italian design, a patented frothing system, and a built-in professional quality grinder, the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi is an incredible combination of style and performance. It all starts with the beans. The integrated conical burr grinder gives you the freshest taste possible, since what you grind is what you brew. Choose the settings you want, then brew instantly for exquisite crema and unsurpassable flavor. The quality stainless steel piped double boiler means there's no wait between espresso and steam. And the unique frothing system includes a special chamber that mixes steam and milk to create rich, creamy drinks every time. There's an instant reheat function, so you're always ready to brew. Adjustable spouts to fit your cup of choice. An automatic shutoff for safety, plus an automatic indicator light to let you know when it's time to decalcify the machine. And the patented compact brewing system is easily removable for convenient cleaning. It's so easy to use. All you really have to do is sit back and enjoy the performance, convenience, and exquisite flavor of the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi.